Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe if you find this video informative. Follow us on X and Facebook at A Wealth of Health. Today we are going to discuss the benefits of fiber. Fiber is a macronutrient and a type of carbohydrate found naturally in plant-based foods that is not digestible in humans. Dietary fiber is a nutrient known as a carbohydrate. Fiber includes the parts of plant foods that the body can't digest or absorb. This makes it different from nutrients such as fats, proteins, and other carbohydrates, including starches and sugars. The body breaks down these nutrients and absorbs them. Instead, fiber passes somewhat intact through the stomach, small intestine, and colon and out of the body. There are two main types of fiber: soluble fiber. This type of fiber dissolves in water. It forms a gel-like material in the stomach that slows down digestion. It can help lower cholesterol and blood sugar. Soluble fiber is found in oats, peas, beans, apples, bananas, avocados, citrus fruits, carrots, barley, and psyllium. Insoluble fiber. This type of fiber doesn't dissolve in water. It supports the movement of material through the digestive system and adds bulk to stool. So it can be helpful for people who have constipation or don't regularly pass stool. Some good sources of insoluble fiber are whole wheat flour, wheat bran, nuts, beans, and vegetables such as cauliflower, green beans, and potatoes. Most high-fiber plant foods contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. The amount of each type of fiber varies with the type of plant, such as whether it's a fruit, vegetable, or whole grain. But you can get both types of fiber by eating a variety of fiber-rich foods. Plant-based foods that are rich in fiber: fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans and legumes, and nuts and seeds, per the U.S. Department of Agriculture's My Plate guidelines, also contain vitamins, minerals, and other powerful nutrients the body can use for optimal health. Although fiber cannot be digested, it moves down the digestive tract with nutrients as they're digested, and does some great things to positively impact our health along the way. But fewer than 1 in 10 American adults meet their daily fiber recommendation, according to the American Society for Nutrition. The appropriate level for most adults is between 22 and 34 grams g of fiber per day, depending on age and sex, as the 2020 to 2025 Dietary Guidelines for American state. Fiber is a key nutrient that plays various roles in our health. Here are some examples. Fiber is like nature's scrub brush, keeping your body's pipes clear and reducing carcinogenic activity. One benefit of sufficient fiber in your diet is a reduced risk of diverticulitis, a condition in which pouches in the colon become infected, per research published in the European Journal of Nutrition in 2020. Fiber keeps food clear of the pouches and moving through the digestive tract. If you're at risk for diverticulitis, this study suggests aiming for 30 grams of fiber per day to prevent the condition. Research suggests that fiber can play a major role in body weight. One study published in the October 2019 Journal of Nutrition found that, among overweight or obese adults, those who ate more fiber while restricting calories had greater weight loss success, and fiber helped them stick to their diet. Other research in the March 2020 Journal of Chiropractic Medicine found that fiber supplementation may also support efforts to lose weight. Fiber expands and bulks food in your GI tract, slowing digestion. This can increase your level of satisfaction and stabilize your blood sugar. Foods high in fiber also tend to be lower in energy density, meaning they'll help you feel fuller without excessive calories, according to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. This concept is at the core of why a higher fiber diet is associated with a lower rate of obesity, as the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics says in one paper. Fiber's wondrous effect on the body is a great example of medical nutrition therapy, a technique registered dietitian nutritionists use to improve health outcomes when they counsel patients about healthy food choices. Here's how it works. Your body uses bile salts, which are excreted by the gallbladder to break apart the fat content in food. Bile salts are made of cholesterol, per research. When you eat food with fiber, the fiber binds to the bile salts, preventing them from being recirculated the next time you eat. As a result, your body must produce more bile salts by taking cholesterol from the liver. This is how soluble fiber reduces blood cholesterol. A review in a 2019 issue of Nutrients noted that increased fiber intake complements a statin regimen common cholesterol-lowering drugs, helping to lower total and bad LDL cholesterol levels. Potentially, this interaction may decrease the dose of statin needed. Fiber has a preventive effect on blood pressure too, but the reason is more associated with nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium contained in foods high in fiber. As the Mayo Clinic points out, you may improve or prevent health conditions such as prediabetes, diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, and various digestion-related issues like constipation and colon cancer by simply increasing fiber in your diet, research in the October 2020 Nutrients suggests. More specifically, fiber may play a role in warding off colorectal cancer, according to one study. Fiber may actually help you live longer, per a study in the May 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Studies note that people who eat a higher intake of fiber tend to have lower rates of heart disease, metabolic disease, mood disorders, and risk of colorectal cancer. If you are not convinced to increase your fiber intake yet, know there's also data emerging on fiber's ability to affect the immune system, mood, and memory by the promotion of healthy gut bacteria. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.